The universe, a tapestry woven from threads of light and gravity, stretching back to an incomprehensible beginning. Today we'll journey together to uncover 10 mind-blowing facts about the universe. So, fasten your seatbelts, fellow explorers, and prepare to have your minds blown wide open. Have you ever stood on a beach, feeling the grains of sand beneath your feet and gazed out at the vast ocean? Have you ever tried to imagine counting all the grains of sand? It seems impossible, doesn't it? Each tiny grain represents a moment in time, a fragment of the Earth's history. Now shift your gaze to the night sky. The stars you see are just a fraction of the universe. Astronomers estimate there are over 1 septillion stars in the observable universe. For every grain of sand on Earth there are roughly 10,000 stars. Imagine that. Each star, like each grain of sand, has its own story, its own place in the cosmos. These stars cluster together to form galaxies, with more than 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Each galaxy is a massive collection of stars, planets, and other celestial bodies, all bound together by gravity. And within these galaxies, new stars are constantly being born, emerging from stellar nurseries where clouds of gas and dust collapse under their own gravity, while older ones end their lives in spectacular supernova explosions, scattering their elements across the cosmos. These elements become the building blocks for new stars, planets, and even life itself. The universe is a vast, ever-changing tapestry, with each star playing a part in its grand design. As you stand on the beach, remember that you are part of this incredible cosmic story, connected to the stars in ways you might never have imagined. For millennia, humans believed in a static universe. But in the early 20th century, astronomer Edwin Hubble discovered the universe is expanding. In the late 1990s, astronomers found this expansion is accelerating, driven by a mysterious force called dark energy. Dark energy makes up roughly 70% of the universe's total energy density. If its influence continues to grow, the universe will become a cold, dark, and lonely place. Black holes are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape. They are formed when massive stars collapse under their own gravity, creating a point of infinite density known as a singularity. The boundary surrounding this singularity is called the event horizon, beyond which nothing, not even light, can escape the gravitational pull. In 1974, physicist Stephen Hawking predicted that black holes emit faint thermal radiation, known as Hawking radiation. This groundbreaking theory suggested that black holes are not entirely black, but instead emit small amounts of energy. Hawking's prediction was revolutionary because it combined principles from quantum mechanics and general relativity, 2 fundamental pillars of modern physics. This process can cause a black hole to slowly lose mass and eventually evaporate entirely. As the black hole emits Hawking radiation, it loses energy, which translates to a loss of mass. Over incredibly long periods, this mass loss can lead to the complete evaporation of the black hole, leaving behind only radiation. A black hole with the mass of our Sun would take an astounding 10 to the power of 67 years to evaporate. This timescale is so vast that it is difficult to comprehend. It is many orders of magnitude longer than the current age of the universe, which is approximately 13.8 billion years. The universe is vast and ancient, and primordial black holes could be evaporating even now. These black holes, formed in the early moments after the Big Bang, could be much smaller than stellar mass black holes and might be in the final stages of evaporation. Observing such events could provide valuable insights into the nature of black holes in the early universe. Diamonds are prized for their brilliance and durability, but there's a planet, 55 Cancri e, a super-Earth exoplanet located roughly 40 light-years away, that makes even the Hope diamond look like a speck of dust. 55 Cancri e is a carbon planet, and scientists believe its interior has crystallized to form a planet-sized diamond. Imagine a world where mountains sparkle with facets of pure diamond. Its discovery serves as a reminder of the incredible diversity of planets in the universe. In the vacuum of space, no one can hear you scream. Sound waves require a medium to travel through, but space is not silent. The cosmos is abuzz with plasma waves, electromagnetic oscillations that propagate through ionized gases. Scientists can convert these electromagnetic fluctuations into sound waves that our ears can perceive. The resulting sounds are eerie and otherworldly, a chorus of whistles, chirps, and roars from the fabric of the universe. For centuries, humans believed our Milky Way galaxy represented the entirety of the universe. Today we estimate there are over 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Imagine holding a grain of sand at arm's length. That tiny speck covers a patch of sky containing roughly 10,000 galaxies. The true extent of the universe remains one of the greatest mysteries in science. The sheer scale and grandeur of the cosmos can be both humbling and awe-inspiring. Our sun may not always have been a solitary star. Some scientists believe it once had a companion, a twin star dubbed Nemesis. Nemesis would orbit the sun in a highly elliptical orbit, disrupting the orbits of comets in the Oort cloud. These comets would then pose a significant threat to life on Earth. While there's no direct evidence for Nemesis, it remains a subject of speculation and debate. Fomalhaut b, a planet that seemingly vanished into thin air, is one of astronomy's great mysteries. Discovered in 2008, it was the first exoplanet directly imaged in visible light. However, its orbit appeared highly eccentric, and its brightness began to fade until it disappeared. Some propose the planet collided with another object, creating a vast cloud of dust. Others suggest it might be a giant, icy comet, sublimating as it gets closer to its star. Is our universe finite or infinite? The answer remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in science. The Big Bang theory suggests the universe began as an incredibly hot, dense point and has been expanding ever since. Observations indicate this expansion is accelerating, driven by dark energy. If this continues indefinitely, the universe will eventually become infinitely large. The implications of an infinite universe are staggering, with infinite possibilities and mysteries. We are stardust. The very essence of our being is intertwined with the cosmos. The atoms that make up our bodies were forged in the nuclear furnaces of stars billions of years ago. These stars, through the process of nuclear fusion, created the basic building blocks of life. Stars created heavier elements like carbon, which is the backbone of all known life forms. Oxygen, essential for respiration, and nitrogen, a critical component of our DNA and proteins, were scattered into space when they exploded as supernovae. These cataclysmic events spread the elements far and wide, seeding the universe with the ingredients for life. Our solar system formed from a cloud of gas and dust enriched with these elements. Over millions of years, gravity pulled these particles together, forming the sun, planets, and other celestial bodies. The atoms in our bodies have been recycled countless times, passing through stars and interstellar space. Each atom has a history, a journey that spans the vastness of the cosmos. We are a part of the universe, and the universe is a part of us. This connection reminds us of our place in the grand tapestry of existence, a reminder that we are not just in the universe, but the universe is within us. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, full of wonders that continue to amaze and inspire us. From the unimaginable scale of the cosmos to the intricate workings of the subatomic world, there's always something new to discover. So, which of these facts impressed you the most? Leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.